Hi, this is how do we open up the software on Learn to Design. We are dealing with Photoshop. If we go to the Genie bar at the bottom that we addressed in our previous document, we can we can select Adobe Photoshop. Give it a sec. So all we're doing is just opening up the software and a document. So we've got the Photoshop open. On the top we have our menu bar. We're gonna click on that, and we have a few options. We can either create a new document, or we can open up an existing or older document. But Photoshop has cleverly put there, and I think most softwares have it as well, where they have open up recent documents, because it's assuming that you want to probably most likely open up a document that you've recently worked on. So let's open up the online.png document that we worked on. Yeah, this is the low resolution document that we saw in our previous document. In what does the software do? Let's close it. See this little cross here? If you hover your cursor there, it tells you the name, but it allows you to close that tab. Let's go back to the file menu. Let's try open up another one that we've recently opened. I think it's brochures. Here's it here. Or okay, let's close this one. Let's say file open, which is a little bit different than open up recent. Now we can navigate to our lessons or a job that we want to work on. And there we go. There's a few ways to open up a document.